Go into your working folder and open up shapes.psd. Now, this chapter's been about vector, about drawing using the pen tool, things like that. You know what? A lot of times when I'm creating a particular shape, it's something that I really would like to use more than once. I want to save it. So let's talk about saving shapes. If we come down here to this button and go down to Custom Shape Tool, and then come up here and click this button, if you don't see as many as I do, you click the gear right here, assuming you even want to see as many as I see, and say all. That's kind of what I have right now. It's loaded everything. But even though I've got all these different shapes, none of them are the shape I want, and after I make it, I would like to use it more than once. So let's talk about making these. Let's get out of here. Let's come over here and select, say, for example, our polygon tool. Now up here, make sure you have shape selected. We're going vector. If I come over here and draw, well, I'm drawing a polygon. It's not what I want, so I'm going to press undo. I'm going to come up here and click the gear. I want a star. So you change the polygon tool to a star by clicking there. And I want 5 sides, so that's fine up here. So I've got all that other stuff done. Come down here and I'm going to click and draw. And maybe something about like that. Now a star is not unique, okay? Let's make this unique. I'm going to come over here and change to my ellipse tool. And here's the important thing to remember, a new feature. You can add multiple paths into the same layer. So we have this layer over here right now. If I don't hold the Shift key down, I will create another shape layer. If I hold the Shift key down, see the plus sign? So I'm going to draw a circle about like that. Now I'm going to come over here and pick up the Path Selection tool. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to grab this piece right here. I'm going to hold the Alt key down and make a copy. And I'm going to keep doing that and make 5 of these things. 1, 2, 3, 4, one more. So I got 5 circles. Let me close the properties out. We don't need that. Then I'm going to come back over, say, to this one, and I'm going to move it, and I'm going to put it right up here. Now you can use your arrow keys because sometimes it does get a little bit stubborn. And I'm going to do the same thing on these. What am I making? Well, in the Old West, they had stars, sheriffs. And the stars, most of them actually did have circles on the ends. And I'm just moving these over now. And again, don't forget you can use your arrow keys because right now they're separate items. I like that. It's my new sheriff's badge. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to grab and select everything. Go up to the word Edit on the pull-down menu and go down to Define Custom Shape. Give it a name. Lawman. Click OK. Okay, we can get rid of this one. But if we go back over here now and pick up Custom Shape tool and come up here, here it is right there. You get it selected. You can come over here and use it as a shape or path or even pixels and paint with it. And there you go. Our very own custom shape, a sheriff's badge. Now, don't forget, once you create these things, you can go up to the word Edit on the pull-down menu and go down to Presets and Preset Manager. Go into, in our case, Custom Shapes, and come down, and there it is. Now, if you don't want it at the bottom of the list, you can move it. Or if you don't want it anymore, you can select it and say Delete. There you go. Creating your own custom shapes.